Very good morning, students. Welcome to online learning program of Alchemy School. Students, we are learning science of class 9, chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. In this chapter, we have learned a lot about the cell organelles. We have learned about each and every component of the cell. Today we are going to learn about the another component of cell, which is called Golgi bodies. Students, you can see in the diagram of the cell, these are the Golgi bodies. These are the vesicles shaped structure, means it is a long tube like structure which is bounded by the double membrane, and they are small parts of the vesicles, and this complete set is called Golgi apparatus or the Golgi bodies. So we will learn about what are Golgi bodies and what are the function of the Golgi bodies. So students, Golgi bodies are the cell organelle present inside the cell, and it is discovered by it is termed by the Camillo Golgi. He is a scientist who has given the terminology Golgi bodies or the Golgi apparatus to this particular cell organelle by the scientist Camillo Golgi. This particular cell organelle is membrane bound cell organelles or the membrane bound vesicles. Vesicles means long tube like structures which you have seen just now. These Golgi bodies are arranged parallel to each other. You can see here in the diagram they are arranged parallel to each other, and this parallel arrangement and the complete set of the parallel arrangement of these vesicles is called cistern. So it is a membrane bound vesicles, and they are arranged parallelly, and this parallel arrangement is called cistern. And the membranes of the Golgi bodies, the outer plasma membrane of Golgi bodies, we also connected with the outer membrane of endoplasmic reticulum, because the materials which are synthesized in endoplasmic reticulum, that materials will be packed and dispatched to the various targets in and out of the cell. I have showed you in the last class that near the nucleus there is a presence of endoplasmic reticulum. So most of the time the plasma membrane or the outer membrane of endoplasmic reticulum is connected with the membrane of the Golgi apparatus. Why it is connected like that? Because ER is helping in the synthesis of proteins, many materials, lipids and fats. These proteins, lipids, fats which are synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum, these materials will be packed and formed by the Golgi apparatus, and Golgi apparatus helps in packaging of the materials which are synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum, and then these packed materials, Golgi apparatus helps in the transportation into the whole cell and in and out of the cell. So Golgi apparatus, the main function is it helps in the packaging of the materials, and it used to transport the material from one part of the cell to another part, and from inside the cell outside of the cell. So Golgi apparatus helps to send the materials on various target site. Target means the particular place or the area inside the cell where the materials are required. That is a target site. It helps to send the materials in and out of the cell. Sometimes it makes the complex sugar from the simple sugar. Golgi apparatus not only packs the material and transport it into the nearby areas of the cell, sometimes it also helps in the formation of sugar. It makes the complex sugar from the simple sugar, and it also helps in the formation of lysosomes. We will read next about another cell organelle that is called lysosome. So Golgi apparatus is one of the organelle which is helping in the formation of another cell organelle which is named as lysosomes. So this was the function of the Golgi apparatus. Now next cell organelle which is present in the cell, that is lysosomes. Lysosome is a very interesting cell organelle. It is called the waste disposal of the cell. Waste disposal in the sense you are also packing the garbage of the house in a polythene bag and you are dispose it outside. Dispose it in the sense you throw it outside, or you destroy it and dump it at a particular place. So lysosome is also helping to keep the cell clean. The unwanted and waste materials which are present inside the lysosome, inside the cell, that will be taken care of by the lysosomes. So lysosome is a very interesting cell organelle, and the function of the lysosome is a waste disposal of the cell. It is also double membrane bound cell organelles in the form of tubes and vesicles, and it cleans the cell by digesting the foreign material and the worn out cell organelles. Lysosome also breaks the formation like bacteria, food and other organelles synthesized with the help of digestive materials. For example, if in a cell any foreign material will enter means any unwanted material will enter which may affect the functioning of a cell, which may give lot of negative impact on the functioning of the cell. For example, if this kind of foreign material or any unwanted food will enter into the cell, food particles, or sometimes the cell only will not able to function properly due to some internal problems or due to the damage inside the cell. During all these conditions, when any foreign particle will enter inside the cell, when any unwanted food material will enter inside the cell, or if due to any improper functioning the cell is not able to perform properly, or due to some kind of damage inside the cell. In all these conditions, lysosomes used to help the cell. What lysosome used to do? Lysosome used to bust out a particular enzyme inside the cell. Enzymes, I have already told you students, enzymes are the particular chemicals which helps to speed up the chemical reaction or which helps to speed up or to enhance the process of functioning. वो किसी भी काम को, किसी भी biological काम को जो आपके सेल में और बॉडी में हो रहा है उसको स्पीड अप करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. So this is an enzyme. So lysosome is having a particular powerful enzyme. What lysosome used to do, if the cell is suffering from any unwanted damage, if any foreign particle enter into the cell which can harm the cell, so lysosome immediately burst inside the cell and it releases lot of digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes means lot of digestive chemicals, and with the help of those chemicals the complete cell will get digested. Right. So in this way, the lysosomes are also called suicidal bags. Why they are called suicidal bags? Because if any wrong thing happens with the cell, any unwanted material enters or any damage to the cell, or if the cell is not able to function, so in these type of cases, lysosome used to burst out, it releases a lot of digestive enzymes, and with the help of these digestive enzymes, the complete cell gets digested. So in this way the cell is not getting wasted, and if these kind of things happen inside the cell, then the lysosomes used to release the digestive enzymes on that also and they digest it. Because of this reason, the lysosomes also destroy themselves in doing this particular process. That's why lysosomes are called suicidal bags, and in this way only they try to keep the cell clean. So we have learned many things about the lysosomes, and lysosomes are also helps in the enzyme formation which is happening near the endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum helps in the formation of the enzyme. So these enzymes is also helping the lysosomes to do the function properly. So in our next class, there are few more cell organelles are remaining like mitochondria and vacuoles and plastids. We will read these two, three cell organelles which are remaining. After that your chapter will be completed. Till then you have to write the detailed description of the unique features and the properties of the cell organelles like Golgi apparatus and the lysosomes. Stay happy and stay at your home. Thank you.